These are my father cow. Almost mabuk pang bang si siya ko. Labor oil. Nah, dia pesan aja tuh. See how beautiful the place is. This is our pond. Amo kitchen pukring ha. So finally our rubber sheet has been done. This is the final look of the rubber sheet. I finally reached my rubber bagan. I mean my destination. Tak nerok je amo nuk tong mani kwai bu phano ke thung chining ha. Amo ke to chini rubber bagan ya. Yang ke chini rubber bagan ta. And that is not our rubber tree, okay? And that is not our rubber property. But hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Swagatam walakam and jotono faikam on YouTube channel lo. Ini ang kisa rawar bagan tanggai rawar betiro. Mane ro kisa biti chap mai chong chong. Tani male nok phai bani blog ka khai je apa kisa khaira blog khai but like 5 days 4 days ni pore si upload khai jam thom ta kana begi payu ke botai en da sa gyang tom ke ba ke kisa chari phunga manta mungsa bu khai je yang ke ba mungsa khaya saile mungsa sa khai ma saw khaya de ke ba bonon kita bo mai chawei lawan bagan thamas nita kisa ana mawa thama help khai gra kan video na kan ne rok sa sa jara na rok na mungsa sa ma phunu na labor oil baru dua mangsa spesial ya hai pan hai sa phunu ta boroi chole tra khati siamo asat kan mangsa sa ka thok mai ko somoi mayan bang khak sa ya Allah rok khak masan ke Aga mama ke pin khung rock bayra sin sak ma phno ke tis na chong ne ken tuma bu phang go sabale amai me ro tong nai gra mai ro walk ha tong ko walk ha ai ba tini walk ha ma sa ya tini friday ni bang chung neramis Ada fish. Alam baca omboy masa nih. Mangsa masa ya batin nih. Masa lagi lah. Okay. Mai robu sabai droba. Direct to bagan thang maya. Kisah sal leta orang sini. Okay ba. Serasa res rok nawe thang lai sini hitong man bono nih. Kisah rasa ngerasa kena rok nah. Okay. Kena cong itu. Asuk perfect ya. Sikon sa rasa mang. maya do ke ba asar sak nang lais ni tang ke tabok thang lais ni bagan no ge thangan sakang nang no kisa mo sak no gra pi ni khu a thok tong ha om na thok sak lang zo tan sai mai tu ya de almost ma bu phang bang si sia kho Sinai tabo rasta khaksa ingisi phala sachung na ge selo ba sachung hing phajra ka loge bukri ba mai sa bai drop pen lis lengka kenai negra re yang hai rubber bagan ma ka baganos phalma ba yang se ke amro ke rubber amaya ko. So for my friends who don't understand my language, my kokborok language, I would like to explain you something like in Tripura there will be a lot of rubber plantations you will see if you visit to Tripura in like villages. You will see a lot of rubber plantations because in Tripura rubber plantations is very good in business. That's why most of our tribal peoples they used to do rubber plantations and they collect they will cut the rubber tree if the rubber tree is mature to give the rubber milk, then they will cut the little portions of the rubber, then they'll collect the rubber milk. By that they will make a rubber sheet, which I will show you now after I reach in my destinations. Then like a lot of rubber trees you will see here in Tripura, and there is betel nut tree. See the river stream, how beautiful. Very cold, actually it's very clean. Belai keceng hai do ang like ang proud ng jagi English kok sabo ta herok ta mas lai tita tani hamale ang to tak sake dap sama haing piu nai mane an loge like chin borok simi able baksa tong like my friends are there from Kerala also and other state also, so they don't feel ta tuma sanai borok nai thokja yang ta taman hamle kok se busia subtitle bro roza yang ke ba kok busi yang ke ba han bang ne borok to rubber play amo trees rok ni bang sini amorong bang asuk sia ba borok no bisa explain kai hata hai si okay hai rok ta os la di te ono le english ung te langka hai ta hero english si mu hai ka bisa misa sao de saya hai chai khanar la masalah ka explain busi romadrong kin yang batak thung rubber bufang nang nekas. So from here you will see a lot of rubber tree surrounded by the rubber tree forest. Tabo ka ang rubber bagan dora sok pai salah ha mane yang omo tabo omo tong yade omo ni omo lai lang ka an rubber bagan song hata ke omo ke to an pisong pukri ke yang katung rubber bagan by among hata surrounded hata, like you will see a lot of rubber trees now here everywhere. So I almost reached my destination. I finally reached my rubber bagan. I mean my destination. Tak nerok je amon nok tongmani koi bu phano ke thung sining ha omo ke to chini rubber bagan ya yang ke chini rubber bagan hata. And that is not our rubber tree, okay, and that is not our rubber property, but this betel nut you can see there are all ours. I mean my father hard work, okay. Nah dia busung lah to see how beautiful the place is. This is our pond. Ông cái xin pukring ha. Ông pukring cái tông thế. Yang bercin pukring tông bro. Hai pan punya ren rozak na. Ang asu siswa ya. Aku matangnya ba. This is also our banana tree. Okay. Sini na. That is our mango tree. Now from here, our property starts. Orang cuma kecil ni kan. My mom dad resting. Kecil ni mana? Yang cuma kecil ni kan. Guiding. This is our like resting area. Om kecil orang long hata guiding kayu. My panazak. Ini masuk pang 4 cows, but the 4 cows are not here right now. So you can see this. There is our rubber trees. Kamu kita rubber sheet feremani jagata. So here is our rubber sheet machine where we make a rubber sheet here, and these are all our betel nut trees, and yeah, you can see here. See how beautiful. Now I'll explain how the rubber milk are taken from the rubber tree. They will cut a little portions or a small amount of a rubber tree by circling a line till the cup is placed. And once the cutting is over, we need to wait for the rubber milk to fill into the cup. The rubber milk will slowly drop into the cup, and it takes time to fill the cup. It takes more than 1 or 2 hours to fill the rubber milk into the cup. After the rubber milk is filled into the cup, then we can go for collecting the rubber milk. And that is how the collections of the rubber milk is done. This is how a rubber look like after collections of rubber milk from the rubber tree. To form this, we need to use some waters and acid. But this is not an actual sheet. To form an actual sheet, we need to use the machines. There are 2 types of machine, a plain one and a strike one. First, we need to use the plain one to make it thin. This is how the process works. So we need to roll like this. And we need to make it very thin. Then, yes, this is the final part. After this, the rubber sheet is ready. And here comes our rubber sheet. Yes. This is the final look. So finally our rubber sheet has been done. This is the final look of the rubber sheet. Then we need to dry under the sun this for at least 2-3 weeks. Then we can go for sale. But now it is not ready for sale, and we need to dry this. After drying, then the color of the sheet will change, like little bit brownish, something like that. These all are our royalties. This is my royalties. These all are my father hard work. My father hard work. My father is really hardworking man and very good man. Rubber betul cuma ni dress masalah ni boleh. Hai ke gap mungkin like for collecting the rubber milk we need to change the dress, otherwise my dress will get dirty and then it will not go anymore if we wash also. I'm done. Oh my. Nah jom tabak. Rubber betul too much nah. Tabak ke ready ha. Rubber betul too much. Now I'm ready for collecting rubber tree. My mother very angry. I'm angry bad sih. Belai jual saya ubah. Rubber betul too much ha. No what? Watch out point punuk di ke pocket. See how the rubber milks look like. Guys di. Collect se guys di. Like this. So this is how we used to collect the rubber milk. Nên mắc hàng phun nó giật ta. Ang betabok rubber betul phun ha. Like hai phun ang sak mai kan ta tan humle ano to koi sa film khaini kedi ba. Pa bar tamo phun lai mani tabok sipai duita kala angke ma tabok rubber betul kala to hata ma acid na original acid. We need this acid for mixing the rubber milk. So almost done. Tahu ke aku makannya? Wah. Kamu tung ani zagan ke? Sekarang kamu. These are my father cow. Oma ne musuh rak. Bung sas tong berano mau kesak ke berikah. Dolok poti. Kereng kurung. Omong ke semua sang kamu. Kazal rani. Bung sas tong lagi berak ni. Soitan ma. Hai korai hai cikok berak. Melang tu ha. Om ke berikah. Om ke dolok poti. Omang mereka sazak lah wajah. Mo. Ni loge ro. Hang tan. Hang. Sok pala no tabo rar bade thungoi nuk khana ni rok leng sok la tak tei tu ko goi mai chawoi ma thusne ko kisa ke an video na thak ka like ke di share ka di ke te subscribe khai khong ke subscribe khai na tapok di so tano hambai ke te ni blog no wai ma lai phinai